Hello guys, welcome to Tech Alpha Anju. So I know guys, it's been a long time since I uploaded video, but you know what, I came with a new idea, a new challenge, and with a new exciting news. And let me tell you what that exciting news. Here I'm doing 10 days challenge for myself for doing videos. So you wanna know what is that? Wait. So for next 10 days we are gonna doing challenge for learning AI, ML and also deep learning, and in this we are learning generative AI and also LLM models and also cloud computing in a structured manner. Means 10 days 10 videos. So here we can see that we are learning many subjects in just 10 days. So let me tell you, in every day I'll be studying for long hours and also taking notes and learning new concepts and also building skills towards my AI engineering and data scientist goal. So I know this is not a perfect journey, but you can see my real result. So there is a challenge, there is a mistake, there is sometime we need to drop, but we no need to stop, and this is the main goal. And guys, we need to see achievements. Okay, at this end of this 10 days I upload every video and I will share all my experience in 10 days, how I learned and how I manage the time and everything I learned and the projects I built also. And you know what, whether I successfully completed or not, but I took this challenge for myself to complete these concepts. So if you're learning AI, ML, also deep learning to become AI engineering or ML engineering or else any job, please focus on this and also join with me on this journey guys. So let's begin with everyday program. First I want to tell you what are the topics I took for this. So 10 days 10 challenges. For first day I took machine learning fundamentals. Like machine learning is very important, right? For first, fundamentals is very important because if you're going any interviews like ML engineering, they will ask fundamentals of machine learning. You have to learn all those topics. And then in statistics also we are learning. Guys, statistics is very important. Then only we can see the insights of data and also we can analyze the data, right? So statistics is very important. Math is very important. I took maths in my MPC, which I don't like, but now I can understand maths. We having probability and statistics, and also we having mean, median, mode and variance, coefficients, and we have whatnot. We have many Bayes theorem, etc. I never studied that one, but now I need to learn all these topics because that's very important in statistics and which is very important for the data scientist. So in day 3 we are gonna learn supervisor learning models. Now we have a supervisor learning and also unsupervised learning and also semi-supervisor learning. These are the main important for the ML engineering. So supervisor learning in day 3. In day 4 we are gonna learn advanced AML plus unsupervised learning models. And in day 5 we are gonna learn means deep learning concepts. We are learning fundamentals of deep learning. So in day 6 we are learning deep learning, advanced deep learning. And in day 7 we are learning deep learning architecture. And in day 8 we are learning generative AI. We all know that the generative AI is booming now. It's booming like everything. So we need to learn data journey in generative AI. So in day 9 we are gonna learn AI agents. What are the AI agents, what are the databases, and what are the embedding and RAG architecture and also. And in daytime we are gonna learn GitHub and also machine learning operations and cloud plus deployment. How to deploy, how to store, how to manage, how to operate. This all we are going to learn on day 10. And finally, so we all know that Python is very important for a data scientist and ML or AI. And also we are going to learn SQL, structure query language, is also very important. And also data visualization is super important to understand the data in visualization, means in structured way. So we are gonna learn, we are gonna revision of Python, SQL and also data visualizations on. After this 10 days we are gonna do time for these topics. means in one day revision of Python, SQL, and also supervisor learning, and sorry, not supervisor learning, is a data visualization. Python, SQL, and data visualization. So what you are waiting for? So let's begin our journey. For day 1 to day 10, let's do challenge, guys. Let's do challenge. We are the tech lovers, so we have to do this challenge. Are you ready? I hope you are ready. First of all, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And this is Anjali, Tech Alpha Anju, signing off.